Present in southern and western Europe, Italy is undoubtedly one of the most dynamic countries of the world. With a landscape that ranges from beaches and tall snowy mountains to more than 800 islands, it is a must-visit tourist destination. But natural beauty isn't the only thing that makes Italy so beautiful. You see, because of a history that dates back to pre-Roman Empire era, the country has loads and loads of historical heritage that's shown through its rich art, culture, and architecture. So let's take a deeper look into this wonderful country and its marvelous natural and historical wonders. Number 1. The Colosseum. There's no doubt that if you search Italy on Google or see any tourism pamphlet, this is the first thing that'll come across you. The Colosseum, or also known as the Flavian Amphitheater, is situated in the heart of Rome, near the Roman Forum. Commissioned by Emperor Vespasian in 72 AD and completed by his son Titus in 80 AD, the structure stands as a testament to the architectural brilliance of ancient Rome. It was designed to host gladiatorial contests, public spectacles, and mock naval battles, accommodating up to 80,000 spectators, making it a one-of-a-kind structure during that time. For that time, Colosseum's design and construction were quite innovative and featured a complex system of pulleys, counterweights, and ramps that allowed for rapid scene changes and special effects. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the world, the Colosseum draws millions of visitors annually, offering insights into ancient Roman culture and engineering. To get a better picture of what actually happened there, visitors can explore the Colosseum's arena and underground tunnels, which offer a glimpse into the lives of the gladiators and animals that fought and performed there. Number 2. Leaning Tower of Pisa. Located in Pisa, Italy, the Leaning Tower of Pisa is one of the most iconic landmarks in the world. As evident from its name, this medieval tower is famous for its unintended tilt, which has become a symbol of Pisa. The tower was actually built in the 12th century, with construction beginning in 1173, but due to various interruptions, it spanned over 199 years. Over time, the whole structure started tilting, and this tilt can be explained by the fact that its foundation is only 3 meters deep, and the ground on which the tower is built was quite soft, thus leading to the leaning position of the structure. Now, in the late 90s, some restoration work was done on the structure, and in the early 2000s, its tilt was partially corrected. The tower is part of the cathedral complex that includes the Cathedral of Pisa and the baptistry, and from an architectural point of view, the structure is an example of Romanesque architecture characterized by its use of arches, columns, and marble. Because of its unique look, the Leaning Tower of Pisa has become a popular tourist destination where you can witness the ancient Italian architecture, take the 294-step climb on the top of the tower for breathtaking views of Pisa. It is also a World Heritage Site by the UNESCO. Number 3. Vatican City. Now, although our next wonder is an independent country, but technically, it's still part of Italy. If you haven't guessed it till now, I'm talking about the Vatican City. The world's smallest country, both in terms of population and land area, is actually an independent city-state located within Rome, Italy. It's home to the Pope, the central government of the Catholic Church, and the numerous iconic landmarks including St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel and the Vatican Museums. So Vatican City was established as a sovereign state on February 11, 1929, through the Lateran Treaty between the Holy See and Italy, and since then, it has been a point of interest for both tourists and religious groups visiting the country. The small state is home to plenty of iconic structures, including St. Peter's Basilica, the largest Christian church in the world, built on the site where St. Peter, one of Jesus' 12 apostles, is said to have been buried. Number 4. Pompeii. The city of Pompeii lies near Naples, at the foot of Mount Vesuvius in the Campania region. This Roman city was actually buried in ash and pumice during the catastrophic eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD and was later on rediscovered in the 18th century. Interestingly, even today, the whole city hasn't been discovered and excavations have been going on to uncover more of its secrets and treasures. With a history dating back centuries, Pompeii is an invaluable resource for archaeologists and historians, providing insights into daily life, culture, and society in ancient Rome. Some of the main attractions of the location include the Forum, which was the heart of ancient Pompeii and features many impressive buildings, including the Temple of Jupiter and Basilica. Similarly, the famous plaster casts of the victims of the eruption can also be seen, which provide a reminder of the tragedy that occurred here. Number 5. Venice. Situated in northeastern Italy, the city of Venice spans over 118 small islands which are separated by canals linked by various beautiful bridges. Founded in the 5th century by refugees fleeing barbarian invasions, Venice became a powerful maritime republic and a hub of commerce, art, and culture during the Renaissance. Venice's architecture is a blend of Byzantine, Gothic, and Renaissance styles with buildings constructed on wooden foundations and piling. Places like St. Mark's Basilica, Doge's Palace, and Rialto Bridge truly represent this architectural brilliance. However, the city of Venice is known more because of the experiences that it offers. Visitors can take a romantic gondola ride through Venice's canals, admiring the city's stunning architecture and historic landmarks, or see Venice's narrow streets and canals, discovering hidden gems and unexpected surprises. If you're a fan of art, you can attend a performance at La Fine's Opera House and enjoy one of the world's most famous opera houses. Number 6. Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre, meaning 5 lands, comprises 5 spectacular coastal villages named Monterosso, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore, located along the Ligurian coastline. These villages date back to the early Middle Ages and are known for their terraced landscapes, trade, crystal clear waters, and amazing hikes. Now, Cinque Terre is home to a unique dialect and cuisine, featuring fresh seafood, locally grown produce, and traditional dishes like farinata and focaccia. Moreover, it's also pretty famous for its scenic vineyards and wine production, with the towns of Monterosso and Vernazza producing some of the region's best wines. For tourists, the location offers a scenic hiking trail that connects the 5 towns and beautiful beaches with crystal clear waters that's perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and sunbathing. You can also visit some local vineyards and wineries to taste some of the Cinque Terre's famous wines and learn about the region's wine production. Number 7. Florence Cathedral. Present in the Piazza del Duomo in Florence, Tuscany, the Florence Cathedral is a beautiful complex of buildings that includes the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, the Baptistry of St. John, and Giotto's Campanile. The construction of the Florence Cathedral began in 1296, with the design and construction overseen by the famous architect Arnolfo di Cambio. The structure is a prime example of Gothic architecture, featuring soaring vaults, pointed arches, and stunning stained glass windows. To truly experience the beauty of this wonder, you can take the 463-step climb to the top of the Brunelleschi's dome for breathtaking views of the city and the surrounding countryside, or take a guided tour of the cathedral's interior to learn about its history, architecture, and stunning artwork, or attend a mass or concert at the cathedral to experience its stunning acoustics and beautiful interior. Number 8. The Amalfi Coast. Located in the Campania region of Italy, the Amalfi Coast is a stunning stretch of coastline that offers breathtaking views, picturesque towns, and a rich cultural heritage. It was once home to a powerful republic, with the towns of Amalfi, Positano, and Rovello playing important roles in Mediterranean trade. Culturally, the Amalfi Coast has been influenced by various empires, including the Byzantines and Normans, who left their mark on the region's architecture, art, and cuisine. Today, the Amalfi Coast is famous for its limoncello, which is a popular lemon-flavored liquor, as well as its delicious seafood, pizza, and pasta dishes. The town of Amalfi, with its stunning cathedral, picturesque harbor, and historic center, is a must-visit. Similarly, present on top of a hill, Rovello is another charming town in the area that's famous for its stunning villas, beautiful gardens, and breathtaking views. Tourists can take part in a boat tour to explore the Amalfi Coast's stunning coastline, islands, and marine life, or explore the coast's scenic hiking trails. Number 9. Milan Cathedral. Present in central Milan, the Milan Cathedral, also known as the Duomo, is a breathtakingly beautiful, and I mean beautiful, Gothic cathedral that dominates the city's skyline. The construction of the Milan Cathedral began in 1386, with the design and construction overseen by the famous architect Simone de Orsinego. The building is built from marble and stone, with a facade made from Candoglia marble and a roof covered in terracotta tiles. The rooftop structures offer breathtaking views of the city and the surrounding Alps, while the museum located in the cathedral's crypt features a collection of artifacts and artworks related to the cathedral's history and construction. Number 10. Mount Etna. Mount Etna is Europe's highest active volcano, standing at 3,329 meters above sea level. This majestic mountain is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and interestingly, even after a 3,500-year eruption history, it's still an active site, with the most recent eruption occurring in 2021. However, even after these eruptions, the peak has still garnered plenty of attraction and is a popular destination for hiking, skiing, and exploring the unique landscapes and ecosystems that surround it. Some of the noteworthy attractions of the site include the two extinct craters known as Crateri Silvestri, the Torre del Filosofo, which is a medieval tower offering breathtaking views of the volcano and surrounding city of Refugio Sepenza, a mountain hut that offers stunning views of the volcano. Now, seeing Italy's beauty and history, I'm sure there are some places that might not have made this list, so mention them in the comments and let me know what's your favorite location of the country.